Hello everyone. Let's take a moment to bring clarity and gently simplify a few things that seem to be causing confusion. First and most importantly, anything connected to the old company on passive does not move forward into victory with Ash. What was built there, what existed there, stays there. So conversations around founders, teams, past surveys, or previously answered questions, let's respectfully leave all of that at the door. That chapter has closed. Victory with Ash is a new platform, with a new focus and a new direction. Now, many have been asking about KYC and some challenges people have faced. Based on real experience, the system itself is working perfectly. In most cases, the issue comes down to just one thing: human error. From unclear photos to improper document uploads or images that don't meet the required standards. Remember, this process is handled by a trusted third-party system that verifies millions of people worldwide. So again, it's not the system. It's often the way the information is submitted. As for accounts being deleted after 30 days, this is simply part of the company's decision to move forward efficiently and keep momentum strong. And honestly, that's what the majority of us want. So let's stay focused on the goal, the company's success, and our success together. Don't get distracted by side paths, noise, or tempting alternatives, because more often than not, those lead to loss, and that's something we definitely want to avoid. Better days are ahead, more updates are coming, and progress is happening. Let's remain patient, let's remain aligned, and let's keep moving forward. Together. Red.